Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter. I got a package here. I'm gonna open it up and review the item. Let's get to it. So, inside the package today, there should be two items in here. Amazon package, pretty normal size. Let's see. This is for another unboxing, another review, another day. This is the item I have for right now. All right. You can see it's a little laptop stand, and I'm gonna break down all the information right now. So what is this item? Well, it's the Jelly Comb Ergonomic laptop stand. So I've been doing a lot of work from home lately, and because of that, I work from a laptop most of the time. So I wanted something to elevate my laptop so it would put it in a more ergonomic position, more comfortable position for me. So let's open this up. Pull the tab. Sorry, manual fell out onto the ground. So here's a little manual on how it works. Right off the bat, I'm struck by the weight of the item. It's pretty heavy. This was just the color that they had. They didn't have any other colors to choose from, or I may have chose a different color. Let's put it up here a little bit more so you can see a little better. There's some feet here that come out, and then they slide. They look like, no, maybe not. I thought they, yeah, no, they do. They kind of push into place to lock down so it won't close up on you. So you can see it raises it up just a little bit from the table. Sorry guys, I'm having trouble with my camera angles today. There, that's better. Then this part here opens up. In the back, there's a metal bar that pulls out, and you can move it into one of these slots, like so. This piece pops out like that. And then it even has spots on the ends that can come out where you could put speakers. If you had speakers that could fit into here, I saw some in the picture on Amazon that had speakers. Or you could put your cell phone here if you wanted to have your cell phone right handy while you're working. So that's how it looks. Let's get a laptop and try it out. So I have right here my MacBook. So this would sit here. Open it. Would open it here. Let me get a better angle. Here's a better angle so you can see how it would look raised up like that for your usage. You can see it wasn't plugged in, so it just died on me. But this will nicely help you ergonomically be able to see the screen better. You can have your wireless or wired keyboard right here and your mouse. And you can still pull this out to put your phone on it if you wanted to, giving you a nice ergonomic laptop stand. So pretty simple item, let me give you the specifics on the item. This, as I said, was a Jellycomb ergonomic laptop stand. If you search that, I also have a link in the description that will help you find it. It was $29.99, so it was a little bit more expensive, and it was 4.5 stars. Part of the reason that it was a little more expensive is it's just rugged. I wanted something that was going to last. And this is. It also comes with a user manual that helps you figure out all different ways that you can use this laptop stand in different configurations. And this manual comes in several different languages as well. So that's the item that I have for you right now for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, before I close this out though, I wanted to tell you how long it took to get here. I ordered it on May 25th and it came on May 27th, so it took 2 days to come. Another thing that I really liked about this was it talked about how this helps with the cooling of your laptop, allowing airflow, and your laptop not sitting right on the desk. It is adjustable, which I liked, and it's strong. It's made of a strong material. So that's all I have. That's the item in a nutshell. Thanks for watching this video, and sure to have more stuff coming out soon. So thanks, and I'll talk to you later.